Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy CFDs on Interactive Brokers. First, open the Interactive Brokers platform and log in with your account details. At the top menu, click on Trade, then select Order Ticket. This is where you can place orders for different instruments. Next, choose CFDs as the instrument. In the order ticket window, look for the list of instruments and select CFDs. Now, type in the symbol of the asset you want to trade as a CFD. For example, you can search for a stock or an index that supports CFD trading. Next, set order details. Choose the quantity you want to buy. Select the order type like market, limit, or stop order depending on your strategy. If needed, adjust the time in force setting such as day or good till canceled. Next, double-check your order details, then click Submit. Once confirmed, your CFD order will be placed on Interactive Brokers. And that's it. That's how to buy CFDs on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.